All right, guys, forgive me. It's Halloween, but TikTok done blew up this perfume that I did not need, that I did not want to spend $39.99 on. I got a gift receipt from Burlington. However, I know sometimes Burlington don't take back perfumes, but I'm hoping with a gift receipt, I can go back in and give it back to them. So, let's start my TikTok video. Because, see, y'all be lying. Y'all hype up stuff. Let's see. You gotta have two phones going here. Okay, we're gonna check this out. Because y'all hype up stuff and it be lies. This is the Marshmallow Blush. I think this was supposed to be a dupe for the K Alley in Sephora. Well, I can't get it out. I don't want to rip it in case I don't like it. I might be able to use my gift receipt. There we go. All right. I did like the K Alley in Sephora. So, let's see. I definitely did not need another perfume. The bottle is gorgeous. The bottle is heavy and gorgeous. Like, you come for me when I got this in my purse, you in trouble. All right, y'all. I'm going to tell y'all the truth. I'm not finna have y'all running to the store for nothing. Okay? And we in the car. Went up my nose. Went in my eye. Okay, I'm going to say this. It does smell very similar to the K Alley Marshmallow Blush. We'll see how long it lasts on me. I'm going to a party, so see what people say. If you want the bottle, if you want the perfume, if you want a dupe for the K Alley, it smells good. It's sweet. You got to be a sweet, loving person. You got to be a sweet, loving person. Ooh, that went in my eye. I would love to layer it with a body oil on my body. Y'all. But if you want the K Alley and you don't want to pay for the K Alley marshmallow, it's good. Even in my car, I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. I'm going to give it an 8 out of 10. Depending on how long it lasts, it might be a 9 out of 10, but I'm going to give it to it. I feel like it should have been $20. That's my only problem. $40. Now, the bottle alone, I get it, but it should have been $19.99. Okay? So, my true, honest opinion of that one, if you want it, if you like the K Alley Marshmallow and sweet smells, get it. It is going to be me. I don't do kind of the scent thing sometimes depending on where I'm going. And what I mean by that is this is more of a summer spring scent. It is very sweet. It's summer springy. So if you want it and you want to save it for the summer spring, or you see it and you want it, it is beautiful. The box is beautiful. The packaging is beautiful. The bottle is beautiful. I just think $39.99 is a little steep. But if you want it, you don't have to drive to 4. I went to 4 Burlingtons. 4 Burlingtons and 3 Marshalls. You don't have to. It is on Amazon. It is on Amazon. So you don't have to drive around like I did. Okay? Okay.